In this video, I'll be covering a method on how you guys can go from 0 to 1K in sales in just a couple of weeks while spending absolutely nothing on ads. Obviously, I'm going to be talking about organic TikTok in this video and why I actually think it's one of the best methods to start dropshipping from scratch in 2021 with no experience. Facebook ads are becoming increasingly more saturated and more expensive for newcomers to jump into the space and making it more difficult to find winning products easily. Now, the cool thing about TikTok is that you can get hundreds of thousands of views on your video ads with fairly low effort. And obviously you're not spending any money on them, so it's going to be leaving you with a massive profit margin. So if you guys want to learn more about this and how you can replicate it and take your store from 0 to $1,000 in sales fairly quickly, keep watching this video. I'll be covering everything from A to Z, from choosing your product to building your store, to actually making decisions on when to keep testing and when to cut your product. And really quickly, if you guys could drop a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be massively appreciated. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting this whole thing off, we're going to go ahead and need to find a winning product to actually put on our store and start testing. Now, my product research criteria for TikTok is a little bit different than what I would usually use for Facebook. When it comes to TikTok, the majority of the audience is going to be fairly young, so I like to stick to fairly low ticket products, something under $35. I also like to find products that aren't necessarily problem solving. I try to look for products that have more of a wow factor, just cool products that people would like having. So let me actually show you guys a couple of ways that you can find these winning products, and I'll actually show you a winning product that I just found for the purpose of this video. Alright, so the first product research method is going to be using hashtags on TikTok. Hashtags like TikTok made me buy it and Amazon finds. And what you're basically going to want to be doing is just scroll through TikTok through these hashtags and look at any products that have decent views, good engagement, good likes and stuff like that. And just also products that jump out at you and look very unique, products that you think could do really well. The second product research method that I also sometimes like using is going to be going to Amazon. You're going to utilize the best sellers and movers and shakers tab on Amazon. We're going to click on the best sellers tab and we can look through this list and see if any products jump out at us, if anything looks cool. And what you can actually also do is click on the movers and shakers tab. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you products that are starting to pick up in volume on Amazon. And so this could be a very good indicator of upcoming trends, of products that people are looking at currently, and just products that people want in general. Now, the final product research method is actually going to be utilizing AliExpress. Now, I would definitely recommend this if you're more experienced with dropshipping or you just kind of have a better idea what a winning product can look like. Because if you're just a beginner, it can be a little bit intimidating seeing all these random products on AliExpress and actually having to pick out products to test from here. But if you've been dropshipping for a while, this can be a very, very good way to actually find untapped products to test on TikTok. What we're going to just do, we're going to go ahead and head over to aliexpress.com and scroll down to the more to love section. And we're just going to go ahead and look through this and see if any products stand out to us that fit our product criteria. So wow factor, products that look cool, and just kind of products that would work well on TikTok. Now, as promised, I will be showing you guys a product that I found just for this video that I think you guys can use as an example of a good winning product. So what this product is it's basically like a slushy cup that turns any liquid that you pour into it into like a slushy by just squeezing it. So basically you can pour like sodas in it, various juices, and it will turn it into a slushy. Now, I actually found this product using the AliExpress method, and then I searched it up on TikTok, and I actually found TikToks that went really viral in August. So I did get a little bit lucky there that this product started trending very recently, but you could easily find a product like this. And let me actually show you the account that I found this product off. So this would be a very fresh winning, untapped winning product. Obviously you can see that videos of this have gone insanely viral this August actually. So I think this is very untapped at the moment, and this would be a good opportunity to jump in here and test. So like 4 million views, 15. So you can see how easily you can get traction with this, and you don't even have to be good with the camera. You don't have to show your face. You can just make TikToks about this product and just get a bunch of sales. And I guarantee you, this person is doing insanely well right now. Now, moving forward, you're gonna go ahead and need a website to actually sell the products on that you can advertise on TikTok. Now, I'm not gonna go super in depth on how to build a high converting dropshipping website, but if you guys would be interested in seeing that in the future, definitely let me know. Because I'm lazy and I don't really want to show the product that I'm selling on TikTok right now, I'm just going to use the product that I showed you guys earlier. I'm going to use their website as an example. right? So taking a look at this, it's very simple, but you know, it gets the job done. And what you actually also have to keep in mind, you don't want to spend too much time optimizing it for desktop, because traffic from TikTok is going to be coming through mobile. Nobody's sitting there on their laptop scrolling TikTok. So yeah, you really just want to make sure that it's optimized for mobile. Yeah, so we can see that they have really nice high quality images. They're selling it for $19.99, and they're actually using the Beautify theme, which I recommend and I personally use for TikTok. I feel like it just kind of matches the whole TikTok aesthetic, I guess, and it just kind of fits the products that you would typically be selling, right? Just like cool kind of like wow factor products. Now you can actually come in here, improve this product description a lot, but regardless of their crappy product description, I think that they're still making a ton of sales. So they just have a quick GIF showcasing the product. And then you can see this is what actually it does. Right, they have a couple of easy to use, and that's actually all they have. It does kind of look a little bit sloppy, and you could definitely improve this a lot, right? Add more images. But yeah, overall, this is kind of the website that you would want to aim for. Just clean, simple, easy to use, mobile optimized. So once again, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how to make a dropshipping website for TikTok, please let me know. I would be super happy to make that. All right, so let's talk about how you're going to market your products on TikTok. And it's pretty simple, really. When it comes to TikTok, you have two options: organic marketing and paid marketing, which are TikTok ads. It really depends on your personal situation, what method you want to go. But obviously for TikTok ads, you're going to be needing to pay money. Don't worry though, both organic TikTok and paid TikTok are both going to make you lots of sales. So I'm only going to cover organic TikTok in this video, because talking about all the ins and outs of TikTok ads are going to take way too long. So for this reason, I'm probably going to go ahead and end up making a whole separate video on how to do TikTok ads in the future. So stay tuned for that. Marketing using organic TikTok is actually very simple and pretty self-explanatory. What you're going to be doing is just consistently posting content about your products. One thing that I did actually forget to mention is that before you can get a clickable link in your bio, you're going to first need to hit 1,000 followers. Not to worry though, hitting 1,000 followers on TikTok is extremely easy. You could do that with just a couple good videos. So now back to the marketing part. All you're going to be doing is just consistently posting content about your product 1 to 3 times a day. Post during the morning, noon, or evening. I found that these times work the best, probably because a lot of people scroll TikTok when they wake up and before they go to bed. So what you're going to be doing is just filming content about your product, making sure to use viral sounds, viral songs, and also viral hashtags, and just experimenting and trying out new ideas. You can also duet comments, other popular TikToks, and just get creative testing new ideas. So the number one thing to getting successful with organic TikTok is just constantly testing out new ideas, new videos, new creatives, and just staying super consistent. I honestly think that this strategy is the best way to start dropshipping in 2021 and going forward. TikTok is absolutely booming right now, so if you're not using it to market your business, you're leaving out a lot of money on the table. In my opinion, it has never been easier or faster to start dropshipping than right now. So don't waste this opportunity. Start testing products and start collecting those sales. If you guys found any value in this video, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. And also leave a comment on what you thought about this video, if you liked it, if you didn't, and just some general feedback would be really appreciated. So that's going to be it for this video. See you guys in the next one.